True with Guns America, we are at SHOT Show 2025 Range Day, and we're at the Alpha Foxtrot Day here, and we're checking out their 2011. Which is pretty impressive. It's made actually in Georgia, and they're importing some parts from Korea, and they're building the complete gun with those parts. The gun, I mean, the slide is super smooth. The barrel lockup is really tight. This is their new version. It's called the Romulus, and it's a polymer grip, obviously steel frame. It comes with a mag well on it. Skeletonized flat face trigger, and it's got this sort of 3-port comp, and they can either press it on or thread it. It's got a fiber optic front sight here. This has got an RMSC dot on it, but they can also do it in RMR. Anyway, it seems to be a lot of gun, full-length dust cover. It's a lot of gun for the price point. So you're going to want to check out the actual write-up on Guns America for that, because we're not doing prices on our YouTube channel now, but it seems like quite a gun. So let's shoot it and just see what we think of it. There's almost no recoil. I mean, that comp is really working. Seems to be a lot of guns, so we probably need to get one of these in and do a full review of Guns America, but yeah, check them out. It's the Foxtrot, or the Alpha Foxtrot 2011, the Romulus. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. We have a ton more content coming from SHOT Show 2025, so hit that notification button. We'll see you on the next video.